Each carry handle storage box includes 4 complete ratchet straps with High-Viz green webbing and reflective strip, 4 High-Viz green soft loop straps, a heavy-duty vinyl drawstring storage bag, safety and usage instructions, and cool stickers for your truck or trailer. Now let's look at some of the special features of these products. The ratchet buckles have ergonomic, rubber-coated handles that are easy to use even when wearing gloves or in bad weather. Each strap includes latching S-hooks that are heavy-duty and stay attached even when the tension is off the strap. The soft loop straps form temporary anchor points on your trailer, or they're also great for attaching to handlebars or other parts of your vehicle that have chrome or paint that you don't want to scratch. Of course, every strap includes DOT-compliant warning tags that clearly state the safe working load, so you'll always be prepared for any roadside inspection.